Hi guys, so for the vlog today, I'm going to explain my vision board that I was able to finish in there last Friday on the vlog. So I did it on purpose. I did not explain it because I wanted to do it for another video. So today's video, Sunday, is going to be about the vision board. So here we go. So my vision board, we'll start from the top right of the board, then all over, I don't know. So in here you will see Van Gogh's self-portrait. So Van Gogh's right here because he is supposed to remind me of the film that I need to finish at the end of the year. I've already started, but I can't really say that much about that right now. So yeah, for Van Gogh, the reason that he's here is because of a film about him that I'm creating. So there goes these two. The prints that I made here are from January. This two was supposed to remind me about being vegan, because I did Veganuary and I have a video about that. You should check it out, like what I think of Veganuary. So yeah, I still have plans on doing this again, like sometime in the year, but right now I'm on a ketogenic diet, so it still helps. And then right there is a weighing scale. This one should be a reminder for me about my health and my weight, because apparently ever since I moved to Paris, I've gained so much weight, so much. So I should be working on that, and I actually already am, because you know I've started my ketogenic diet with my fasting this month. So with it are the words success, love, health, joy, and the truth. So you would understand what those are. So those are reminders for me about becoming successful, about my love, not just relationship type of love, but my love for myself too, and my health, and then joy and the truth. And then with it are pictures of things related to my passion right now, photography and videography and filmmaking. And at the top left corner is a paper plane. So this is just to remind me about my travel. So I want more travels this year. And then there's a graduation cap. So about this one, I'm not really sure if I still want it, because this was done in January. So in those times, I was thinking of going to film school next year maybe, or this year, but I'm not really sure, because apparently I've been checking all film schools and they all cost too much, like 13,000 euros a year. I will die saving 13,000 euros a year. And then under that is 5 new countries. So one of my goals this year is to visit 5 new countries. That's why I have this two here. So I have Barcelona and Madrid, and that's going to be my first or 1/5 new countries, because it's already May and I haven't gone out of the country yet. I've been to Belgium and the Netherlands. Did I go to the Netherlands? No. I've been to Belgium, but I've been there before, so that's not a new country. So Barcelona and Madrid is going to be a new country because I'm going there in summer. And then there's consistency and hope. And beside that is the Eiffel Tower. Even though I'm already in Paris, I want to be constantly reminded that Paris now is my home, and this is where I belong now, and I have to accept that and be happy with that. So beside that is this book tower. Those are books. So written in it is something unrelated really. One of my goals at the start of this year was to be able to read at least 100 books by the end of the year, but right now I've already done 1 or 2, so yeah. And then right here is a picture of a girl with an open brain with a balloon coming out of its head. So I like this picture. I don't know how I found it, but I really liked it, because for me it meant something like mental freedom. You know, like you want to be free from all of this crap that we get every day. Even though I didn't have this vision board before, this picture stuck to my head because it made me do decisions that led me to having a happier life. I get to get rid of toxic friends. I get to get rid of toxic thoughts, and this picture has reminded me that my own mental freedom and my happiness would depend only to me. So if I open my mind and let it all go, we will all go. And then there, I don't know if you get it, but yeah, I know you get it, guys. So next to it is this picture of a van with a bonfire in front of it. So this was one of my goals by the end of the year, that if I could be a digital nomad, but I'm not sure, because right now I'm very active with my art, so not still with my digital thing. I still have my website getting created, not really done yet. So yeah, but it's still one of my goals, like to be a full-time creator that one day I'm gonna have to stop working for people and I will be working for myself. And yeah, so YouTube, because you guys are from YouTube and I want to focus more on YouTube, and then at least at the end of the year to get 10k. I'm not sure if I could do that, but at least I have a goal, right? And then under that is a picture of a cafe. This is an old dream, but it would still remind me because I used to want to have a cafe of myself in the Philippines, but I changed my mind and I think I want an art gallery instead, or a little museum, but it would have a cafe. So this is still a reminder for me for that dream. And then more videographies, filmmaking stuffs. Then there's Anna and the Frenchies, the cover of Anna and the French Kiss. So this one is like Van Gogh. I have plans on creating a film about Anna and the French Kiss. So yeah, I really can't tell much about that, but just wait for it. And then here there is London. It's one of my goals to visit London or the UK this year. And then there's Luxembourg, and then there's the map of France. There's hope, happiness, and friendship with them. So you all get it. I want more friendship, I want to be more happy, and have to be constantly reminded that hope is always there. So London is going to be like 2 or 5 for the new countries thing, and then Luxembourg is a small country beside France, so I can go there anytime. So that's 3 over 5 new countries. I'm not really sure what's the 2 other countries, but I'm still thinking. And then, yeah, so London's going to be England, and I have plans on going to Wales, so I hope that would go to plan. And then there's the map of France, because France is now my home, and I want to visit more cities. I think I have a goal of visiting about 10 new cities in France, and I've already done 3. Now, on Friday, I'm leaving for Strasbourg. So, yeah, I think that's all that I have to say about my vision board. See, it's so colorful, and yeah, it still has a lot of space between like the picture. I kinda left it like that because I think I'm gonna have to be putting more in it, you know. I think that's all for today. So I think that's all for today, Sunday, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, Monday, on the vlog. Like, bye.